Welcome to an insightful journey into the world of fishbone meal. In this video, we'll unravel the incredible benefits of this organic fertilizer, exploring its high phosphorus content and its crucial role in enhancing root development and flowering. If you're looking to take your gardening skills up a notch, don't forget to hit the like button, comment your thoughts, and subscribe for more enriching content. Let's dive in and discover the wonders of fishbone meal for your plants. Fishbone meal, and its role in creating a high-quality super soil mix for water-only plant cultivation. Fishbone meal. Fishbone meal is a natural and nutrient-rich fertilizer made from the bones of fish. It's known for its significant phosphorus content, as well as its contribution to overall plant health and development. Here's how fishbone meal plays a crucial role in a water-only super soil recipe. Phosphorus enrichment. Fishbone meal is primarily valued for its high phosphorus P content. Phosphorus is essential for promoting root growth, flower formation, and overall energy transfer within plants. Adequate phosphorus levels contribute to strong root systems, improved nutrient uptake, and robust flowering and fruiting. Calcium boost. Fishbone meal also contains calcium, which is vital for cell division, proper cell wall development, and overall plant structure. Adequate calcium levels prevent issues such as blossom end rot, a common problem in plants with calcium deficiencies. Slow-release nutrients. Similar to other bone meal products, fishbone meal releases nutrients gradually over time as it breaks down in the soil. This slow-release characteristic ensures that plants receive a consistent and long-lasting supply of phosphorus and calcium. pH regulation. Fishbone meal can have a slight alkalizing effect on the soil, helping to regulate pH levels. Balanced pH is important for nutrient availability and optimal plant growth. Microbial activity. As fishbone meal decomposes, it can also contribute to the growth of beneficial soil microorganisms that aid in nutrient cycling and overall soil health. Example: down-to-earth fishbone meal 3160. The down-to-earth fishbone meal 3160 product is formulated with a nutrient ratio of 3160, indicating a high concentration of phosphorus relative to nitrogen and potassium. This ratio makes it particularly suitable for bolstering flowering and fruiting stages of plant growth. The minimal nitrogen content aligns with the focus on phosphorus during these critical phases. When incorporating fishbone meal into your super soil mix, follow recommended application rates to avoid overloading the soil with phosphorus and calcium. Mixing it thoroughly with the soil before planting ensures even distribution of nutrients. In summary, fishbone meal is an exceptional source of phosphorus and calcium that supports robust root development, flowering, and overall plant strength. When combined with other complementary amendments, fishbone meal contributes to a well-balanced super soil recipe that provides the essential nutrients needed for a successful water-only growing method.